Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove or blur your background in Google Meet. If you want more privacy or a cleaner look during your meetings, we will guide you through the simple steps to set it up. Now let's get started. On your Google Meet dashboard, let's take, for example, creating a new instant meeting. But before we start a meeting, we can choose the background here. We can choose to blur the background or select a background effect. If you want to add filters, just click Filters, Appearance, and Backgrounds. Or you can keep it simple and stick with a blurred background. You can blur your background. As you can see, it is now blurred. The back is blue in the background. You can make it even more blurred here. You can also add more backgrounds. If you don't want a background, you can remove it. If you want to add a background, you can do that as well. It all depends on your preferences. There are many options for your background. Just choose the one you want. And that's it. Your Google Meet background is now removed or blurred for a more professional and distraction-free meeting.